आज हमारे साथ हैं आपके फेवरेट शरद मल्होत्रा। तो शरद, कुछ हम रैपिड फायर क्वेश्चंस आपसे पूछने वाले हैं, रैपिड फायर राउंड आपके साथ खेलेंगे, तो आप रेडी हैं उसके लिए?
बिल्कुल। आई थिंक रैपिड फायर में मैं बहुत ही ज़्यादा सोचता हूँ, बट कोशिश करूँगा कि आपके साथ मैं उसको और थोड़ा क्विकली बोलूँ और इट शुड बी रैपिड फायर। ज़्यादा सोचना ही चाहिए हमें। बिल्कुल,
तो स्टार्ट करें फिर।
बिल्कुल।
Who is your favorite Bollywood actor?
My favorite Bollywood actor would be, I think, definitely Shah Rukh Khan, which I think probably the world knows by now.
Favorite actress?
Deepika. No second thoughts.
Favorite food item?
I think I like Lebanese food. I think pita bread, hummus, baba ganoush, falafel, tabbouleh. I like a lot of Lebanese food, so I think that's something which I can have 7 days of the week. मैं आराम से खा सकता हूँ.
Any TV actor or actors you want to work with?
I want to work with. I think I've done a show, a reality show with Ronit Roy. I think he's one of the most. He's definitely such a senior actor. He's such an inspiration. I think दादा के साथ काम करने बहुत मज़ा आता है. तो I think I want to do like a full-fledged show with him, where I'm sure it'll be great to also bond with him. Because दादा भी बंगाली हैं और ऑब्वियसली मैं भी कलकत्ता से हूँ, तो एक ऑटोमेटिकली एक बंगाल कनेक्शन आ जाता है. सो बट इज़ अ ग्रेट गाय. आई थिंक आई नोन हिम फॉर सो मेनी ईयर्स. सो बीइंग विद हिम इन द सेम फ्रेम एंड obviously creating some magic would be nice.
Favorite holiday destination?
San Francisco, definitely. Everybody should go there at least once in a lifetime. या फिर अगर इंडिया में बोलें तो आई थिंक एक्चुअली इंडिया में बहुत अमेजिंग प्लेसेस हैं. Amazing. I think I like hill stations. So I think I'll probably stick to this place called Sanasar. पता नहीं बहुत लोगों ने सुनी है कि नहीं, बट इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल प्लेस. इट्स अप नॉर्थ और ये पटनी टॉप बोल के एक जगह है. इट्स जम्मू से अगर आप जाएंगे कश्मीर के रास्ते. सो आई थिंक इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल हिल स्टेशन. इट्स वेरी नाइस. इट्स कोल्ड, absolutely lush green in summers and snow white in winters. So it's a beautiful place.
One thing you can't live without?
One thing I can't live without is work. Definitely.
What is your biggest strength?
Self-belief.
Achha, what is your favorite pastime? Like, tell us about your life.
I think my favorite pastime would be when I'm not working. I'm a very guy next door. I think बहुत regular हूँ मैं. बहुत I love to sleep. I love to play with my dog. I love to go out with my friends. Normal जो चीज़ें I think लोग करते हैं. I love to watch a lot of movies. I think जब भी मुझे time मिलता है, could be work days also when I'm working, post pack up, I just rush for movies. I think movies is something which really gives me a high. They always just get me charged, and I think watching a good movie really inspires you, motivates you, encourages you, और फिर नेक्स्ट डे आके हम और ज़्यादा अच्छे से काम करते हैं. So I think movies is something which can be a de-stressor for me as well.
Any rumor you heard about like in recent times about you?
About myself, I think the rumor I heard about myself was that I'm buying a new car. Am I?
You got actually one.
No. मैंने सुना है बहुत rumors है कि I'm buying a new car, and I think a lot of people actually have been asking me also that ले ली कौन सी ली अपनी गाड़ी. और तो I think that's some rumor which is on right now. But otherwise I think no, I think ऐसा कोई rumor नहीं है. थे कुछ personal life के थे, but अब बहुत sorted है. I think everything is cool now. But it's regular that like I told you, set पे था rumor कि अरे आपने गाड़ी ले ली, आपने पार्टी नहीं दी, आपने हमें मिठाई नहीं खिलाई. So that's the rumor which is kind of floating right now, but nothing to do too great. So it's
What
okay.
is your relationship status? Complicated, committed, or single?
It's more of, I think, relationships. I think are always they're not always actually they're not always complicated, but they can be a little tricky at times. They can be a little fun. They can be a little messy. They can be a little nasty. I think it's a nice mixed bag of emotions जो I think एक पूरे relationship में होते हैं. But I think at the moment, yes, I am dating somebody, and I think I'm in a good happy space. So yeah, so far so good, and I'm taking each day as it comes.
What are your favorite like hobbies?
Favorite hobbies I think would be like I told you, when I'm not working, I think it's sleeping. I think that's my favorite hobby. I think I love to eat. I love to travel. I love to try different. Actually, I'm a very big foodie also. तो मुझे खाना बहुत पसंद है. I think that's something which I'm sure हम सबको बहुत पसंद है. But trying out different cuisines, like I told you, Lebanese is my favorite. I love Thai. I love Indian tandoori, Japanese, Korean. I've tried practically everything, but I will settle for Lebanese. It's nice. It's less spicy, and it's my favorite.
Lastly, a message for your fans.
I think all the viewers of Zoom, I think thank you so much for all the love that you've showered upon me in these last so many years. I think it's like the 10th year for me into the industry. It feels like actually yesterday, I had just come in yesterday and it's my first show, but this is my third show, and so much love you've given me. It's the end of the year 2016, so wishing everybody a very, very happy new year 2017. Have a great time, have a great year, work hard, party hard, and live hard. You have to live your life. It's very important, because when you're working, we tend to forget. We tend to forget to live our lives. I think it's very important कि आपको ज़िंदगी जीनी बहुत ज़रूरी है. पूरी तरह जिए उसको आप. Live with your loved ones. और अगर कोई चीज़ पसंद नहीं आ रही है, प्लीज़ उसे भूल जाइए and move on. We have to move on in our lives. We have to move on to things that make us happy. अक्सर जो लोग जो हैं बहुत ही especially people like me, जो Capricorns होते हैं, they tend to hold on. They're very emotional, they're very sensitive. But yes, you have to move on in life. You have to be happy with whatever you're doing. Could be work, could be personal, could be anything that gives you happiness. Hold on to it and cherish it. So happy New Year to all the viewers of Zoom.